Hi and welcome to my new vlog.
Hello.
Today we travel to a very beautiful place.
Where?
Let's see. Let's pick up the car. So, this is our car.
It's a cute one, I like it.
This is the tiniest car I've ever driven. Look at that.
Okay.
Yay! Let's go. Let's check it out. Wow. Welcome to Santorini! Woo!
It's so nice.
We just arrived. It's absolutely astonishing. Look at this. A blue church right in front of us. Look at this amazing place and the sun. I know now why they call this place this is the place of sunset. I mean, you can't stay here without making photos and videos. You see that blue church over there? That's where our hotel is. Time goes by so fast. You can see today is full moon. Nice. So in all the places I visited so far, and I've traveled quite a lot, I think this is the most picturesque, the best place to make photos and videos I've ever been. Just wherever you look, it just looks beautiful. Don't know why. Maybe these white walls together with blue in combination, it just looks so clean and nice. I don't know. We finally arrived at our restaurant, Pelicanos. It's up there. So let's go up. Cheers. Oh. Strong. Bon appetit. Full. That was an amazing restaurant, superb food. And look at the street, it's now absolutely empty. So it's just that one moment when the sunset ends. I think we now found the perfect spot. Isn't this beautiful? From this side, you can actually see the whole part of Oria. Isn't this right now the exact spot what Santorini is popular for? I'm absolutely loving this spot. Beautiful. I think I'll add a link to the description below to give you the exact coordinates of this place so you can find it better. So, this is the end of the first day. We arrived today and let's get back to our nice, beautiful new hotel.